just one rip jeans, white tees. Millennial style, straight day trading. Digital wallet lock me currencies. Forex trading, make me can pull up in us in the world dark. Every girl see me get enchanted. Just purchase a lake for me heart. One day me go reach on the Forbes list. Dark top it up, make we fuck up the place and done, yeah. Make millions while we young, yeah. Smart with the thing, we not dumb, yeah. We run the ground, dog, new millennium. We a fuck up the place and done, yeah. Party.
Welcome to Shamar's Trading Journal, where I share my trading journey, strategies, and tips to help you grow as a trader. In this video, I'm going to recap my trades from last week and show you guys how I passed my top tier trader challenge, 10K challenge, and I'm about to be funded. So I recently purchased a 10K challenge from top tier traders. I passed the first stage within like 2 days. Then I passed the second stage. Well, I made the required amount of profit in like 1 day. However, I'm not waiting on time because well, for those who familiar with prop firms, you know, they normally give you a minimum amount of trading days when you're doing the challenge. So my minimum trading days is 4. And I passed the challenge. I achieved the required amount of profit within a 1 day span. So I gotta wait 4 trading days, or place some small trades in 4 trading days. So in order to be fully past the challenge. But I've made the required amount of profit. I'm just waiting on trading days to complete the challenge, and then I'll be a top tier funded trader. So I'm going to show you guys my trading dashboard from the top tier trading challenge, so you guys can see and understand what I'm talking about. So let's get into it. So here's my dashboard for the challenge. As you can see right here, top tier trader challenge 10K right here. I'm gonna try and black out my account number so you guys can see it. I don't want that to be shown, but if I can, if I don't know how to do it, I'll just leave it like that. However, so the platform that I used to trade on, that they give you to trade on, is Trade Locker. It's a nice platform, I like it. My average loss is $123 because of course I did have some losses. My average wins $201, but my average wins are more than my average loss. So as you can see, my win rate 66%. That's not too bad. My average trade duration, which means the average time that I spend in each trade, is like 26 minutes. Profit factor 3.2. The lot size that I've used, in total lot size that I've used, is 7.02 lot. My profit $509.86. My 24 hours profit. I did a trade today with a 0.01 lot size. So as I said, you get a trade 4 days, so I have to place a trade on each of 4 days past the challenge. So I already made, I don't want to risk losing the profit that I made, so I just use a small lot size. I won't, in the event of a loss, I won't take much of the profit that I have already made. Daily lowest equity, 500. Daily lowest equity represents the account's lowest volume. The daily lowest equity represents the account's lowest volume in the current 24-hour period. So the lowest my account went in the last 24 hours is $10,509.63. And you know what? $10,509.86. So yeah, I started today with $10,509.73. I did make a trade, as I said before, and I made 13 cents in that trade. Did I win? So here's what I'm talking about: minimum trading days. So minimum trading days is 4. So today I made that trade I made today. Brought the total amount of trading days to 3. So tomorrow Monday at around 5 o'clock, I can place a next trade, and then I'll get the confirmation that I passed the challenge, and then I'll get the funded account. So I'm just gonna see where it goes, guys. I'll show you guys if I'm making money, if I'm losing, if I'm my first withdrawal, or whether I messed up the account or what. So I'm gonna be totally transparent with you guys so you guys can see everything. So these are the trades that I've made. I'm gonna see. It's not really showing the amount. So these are lost sides. As I told you, 0 point. Right here you got a 0.01. This is the trade I made today. Then on Friday I made another 0.01 trade as well. And then in this trade is the trade that I passed the challenge with. I'm gonna see if I can get over to the next slide. Okay. Alright, there you go. So my first trade after receiving the second verification stage, my first trade I lost $185. Then I lost $61. Then I made $10. Then I made the ball at the park with a $794 trade. This is what I could have on this trade. I could have made more because the market did went more in my favor. But I decided to, once it got to the $500 mark, I decided to just opt out and just not be greedy because of that. If you be greedy, sometimes you want to lose also. I passed the challenge, so I just came out immediately. So yeah, that's it with the challenge. So now I'm gonna just run through the charts for a few and show you guys some setup, what I'm looking at this week, and stuff like that. So let's get into that. This is my charts, guys. I trade the GBP JPY currency pair. Yeah, I'm kind of familiar with this pair. So this is the only pair I trade. But I do also trade options, so I mess around with stocks as well. But in regards to currency pairs, this is the only pair. This is the only pair I trade in Forex, GBP JPY. So how I normally start my analysis when I'm going to look for a trade, I normally start from the monthly. So I go down to the monthly time frame, 1 month time frame, 1 month time frame. And I look at that, and okay, as you can see, it has been an option. Normally start from the 1 month time frame, then I would go down to the weekly, then up, then for the week right here, weekly is in an uptrend as well. And then as I said before, a retest to break forward to make, so this is the higher low to make a higher high. So you're looking forward. And also this is if you guys know about trading, this pattern right here is a morning star pattern with these 3 candles, which is a bullish pattern. So I'm looking forward for more bullish momentum to the upside. So let's go down to the daily. Alright, so today so far it has been bullish for this day, and we're now having a little pullback, as you can see. So a week up, now we're having a pullback. So on a smaller time frame, I guess that would be a break of structure, then pulling back to go to move to create a higher high again on a smaller time frame. So this is the daily. Let's get into the smaller time frame. So let's go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, I'm gonna start from here. Here you get a break. You got a break of structure. Well, you can say the break of structure would have been right here. But I'm gonna go forward and say you get break of structure right here, then a lower high, which is the retest, then a higher high, higher low, then a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now a higher low. So we are looking to form the higher high at this moment. We haven't reached there as yet. So yeah, so right now we are looking for buys currently. So I'm guessing this is a pullback on a smaller time frame. So let's look at the 1 hour. I'll go from here to the 1 hour time frame and remove the join so you guys can see our favorite picture. So on the 1 hour, I haven't really had a break of structure. as yet to say, okay, it is now bearish. So I'm still looking for buys currently. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then now we're looking to form the higher high. So it's kind of market is kind of it doesn't just go up in the one push. So it's gonna go up a little, pull back a little, then go further, pull back a little, then so that's how the market works. So that's what we're expecting. So now we're having a little pullback. So I'm still probably out. The time is now 12:54 a.m. Monday morning. So I'm guessing around by 2 o'clock we can look for some more momentum in the market. So let me go move on to a smaller time frame. So let's go down to the 30 minutes. So on the 30 minutes, as you can see right here, bam, then you got made a double bottom, which is a bullish signal, break a structure, then the retest, then shoot up to form a higher high. So now it's making the high lower, the higher low to move forward and form a new higher high again. So this is, as I said, this is the retracement. You can see on the 15 minutes. Higher low, and then a higher high, which gives you back a retest to go further on later. But I normally up in the trade now, but I'm not gonna up in any trade today. I already placed one trade because I wanted the one trade though, because I'm doing the challenge, and I wanted the one trade just to make to add to the minimum trading days. So I'm not gonna place any more trades until tomorrow after 5 o'clock. Well, not tomorrow, today, because I'm recording this video currently. It's Monday, 12 a.m. Monday, 12:59 a.m. on Monday. So I normally go down to 1 minute when I want to make my trade. And so normally on the 1 minute, I look for a upside down head and shoulders. Because one thing I realized is this pair on the 1 minute, when when it's going to reverse or change pattern, you normally get either a inverted head and shoulders, which is the upside down head and shoulders, or a head and shoulders. So if it's going to go up, if it's going to go bullish, you're going to get an invert head and shoulders pattern. And if it's going to go bearish, you're just going to get a head and shoulders pattern. So that's what I look out for on the 1 minute time frame. And after I get that, inverse head and shoulder and break up structure, then I enter the trade. That confirms my trade, and then I enter the trade. Whether I buy or I sell. But as I said before, you can't really predict the market. You just have to react to it. So even though I said I'm looking for buys and stuff, the market might turn right now bullish and then start going up, and then as it gets, let's say the market return come all the way up to the EMA line right here, the 200 EMA line, and then it just falls. That I've seen that before. So it's not because I'm said I'm looking for a bullish trade. That doesn't mean the market is going to go bullish all the time. Sometimes stuff do happen, news and stuff like that, will cause the market to go in the opposite direction and stuff like that, and then it will catch back itself at a later time. But for now, we are looking for a bullish trade. If the market tells us, even though it's in a bullish trend, that it wants to go bearish, we adjust our analysis and then react to what the market is telling us. So that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Join me on my journey. Become a part of my journey. Help me to get to 100 subscribers. This is a new channel. I'm currently at 15 subscribers. Help me to get to 100. We are looking forward to reaching 100 subscribers, then on to 1,000, and from there all the way up. The sky is the limit, guys. So that's it for this video. Watch that under my nose. I'm out.
Air Force One rip jeans, white tees, millennial style straight day trading. Digital wallet lock me currencies. Forex trading make me can pull up in us in the world dark. Every girl see me get enchanted. Just purchase a lake for me heart. One day me go reach on the Forbes list. That top it up make we fuck up the place and done.